Today, we're diving into the world of server hardware with the HPE 615732-B21 332T network adapter. Designed for compatibility with ProLiant DL180 Gen 9, DL20 Gen 9, and DL360 servers, this plug-in card offers some serious performance enhancements. Let's start with speed. With an aggregate, full duplex transfer rate of 4 gigabits per adapter, this network adapter significantly improves response times and alleviates bottlenecks. Whether you're managing heavy workloads or demanding applications, the 615732-B21 ensures smooth and efficient data transfer. Form factor matters, especially in server configurations. This adapter comes in a low-profile design, making it easy to install and integrate into your existing setup without taking up too much space. When it comes to connectivity, this adapter supports both Ethernet and Gigabit Ethernet protocols, offering versatility for various networking needs. With a data transfer rate of 1024 megabits per second, you can expect reliable and high-speed performance for your server operations. Durability and reliability are crucial in server environments, and the HPE 615732-B21 doesn't disappoint. Built by Hewlett Packard, a trusted name in server technology, this adapter ensures long-term stability and performance. In terms of compatibility, it's specifically designed for ProLiant DL series servers, including the DL180 Gen 9, DL20 Gen 9, and DL360E, among others. So if you're using one of these servers, rest assured that this adapter will seamlessly integrate into your setup. Overall, the HPE 615732-B21 332T network adapter is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their server's performance. With its impressive speed, compact design, and reliable brand reputation, it's a must-have for server administrators looking to optimize their infrastructure. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.